Best 3D Printer for Beginners Reviews and Buyer Guide. Have you been looking for the best 3D printer for beginners? Well, look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you which 3D printers are the best and how they work. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. We listed them based on quality, durability, features, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. If you are looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we have all the product for you in this video. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 8. Anycubic Mega Zero 2.0 3D Printers. The Anycubic Mega Zero 2.0 is a budget-friendly printer with impressive build quality and ease of use for beginners looking to get started in 3D printing without breaking the bank. It comes equipped with an open frame where you can create prints at temperatures exceeding 100 Celsius, all while only weighing about 7 kg thanks its portable design, making it ideal as your next project on wheels or office workhorse alike. Its SD card compatibility means importing pre-built models from other sources like Thingiverse will be quick and easy using Adobe Bridge software that's included free inside Windows 10 professional operating system. You don't have to be a professional builder or an expert fabricator. The printer is easy enough for beginners with the right tools, but you can also buy all of your components secondhand from other crafters in need if needed. This model has been built specifically for those who want something quick and effective without having their design altered too much by more experienced builders, so it caters equally well on small projects as large ones alike, like cookie cutters. It will even let newcomers create intricate prototypes straight out to Home Depot's prototyping aisle. Just bring them back tomorrow morning after some shopping today. Number 7. LulzBot Mini 2 Desktop 3D Printer. The LulzBot Mini is perfect for beginners because it has a simple design and maximum print size of 6.3 inches x 6.3 inches, which makes the printer easy to use even if you have limited experience in printing 3D objects. This model also comes with 50 mm nozzles that work with both rigid or flexible materials, so there are more options when starting out on your journey into designing something beautiful from scratch using plastic filaments like PLA, polylactic acid, or wax-based thermoplastics, such as melts. For those who are just starting out, the LulzBot Mini is an ideal printer that will be easy to use and understand. Number 6. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3D Printer is an all-around modern printing device for entry-level and intermediate designers. The printer comes with several features that make it stand from the crowd in terms of modeling, office production, especially if you're looking to manufacture complicated parts, as well as affordability. If your work requires frequent removal/modification like fashion design or engineering drawings, this would be perfect machine due its removable surface plate, which allows even heat distribution throughout models, ensuring quick cooling after prints are complete. Sure beats waiting around while glue sets before trying remove a stuck part. Not happening anymore thanks to our new onboard coolers. The Creality Ender 3 printer is the first and only printer that has resume functionality. This means it can copy what an extruder was doing before going offline, so quality won't suffer even if you don't have access to electricity or a backup plan at your work site. Number 5. Monoprice 15365 Select Mini 3D Printer V2. The Monoprice Select Mini V2 is an upgraded, compact version of the original Select Mini 3D printer. It features a removable build plate and all-metal hot end for maximum heat transfer and a Bowden extruder for smoother, quieter printing than direct drive systems. The printer also includes a filament runout sensor, which alerts you when your filament is running low so that you can reload before interrupting your print job. This model has been tested to fit within carry-on luggage dimensions for most major airlines. For international travel, we recommend purchasing this printer. A game-changing machine, Monoprice's Select Mini 3D printer is the perfect choice for those looking to get into printing on a budget. With features that are ready and waiting without any assembly required plus support from Hackaday, as well as all 3DP who awarded it 5 stars out of 5, this inexpensive device promises your satisfaction guaranteed. Number 4. Technology X12 Single Extruder 3D Printer. Technology X12 Single Extruder 3D Printer is a perfect desktop 3D printer for beginners and families. It comes with a metal frame, heated bed, support printing with ABS, PLA, TPU filament. Out of the box, only simple operate to printing. Kitty Technology single extruder greatly reduced the risk of extruder clog. With 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons makes for easy operation. Applicable to families, schools, and so on. The X12 printer is a durable and well-built machine. The metal frames make it shock-tolerant, making this ideal for any home office or work area with heavy usage. All you need to assemble the device are guidelines that come included in your manual. No technical knowledge required at all. No.3 Anet ET5X DIY 3D printer. The Anet ET5X DIY 3D printer is a high-end, large-scale FDM 3D printer. It has an ultra-large print volume of 300x 400 mm with a heated print bed. This machine can be used for both commercial and creative purposes. The ET5X comes with an auto-leveling function that measures 25 points across the print platform to ensure it's perfectly leveled every time you use it. The filament sensor detects when your filament runs out and sends reminders to the screen, so you don't have to worry about it. Anet's ET5X is an excellent value for 3D printing. It has a 300 mm x 300 mm print volume and offers 25-point auto-leveling, which makes it perfect for large prints or models that need to be on just the right tilt angle without having to do any manual adjustments. The aluminum frame construction also means this printer will last longer than other cheaper options. No.2 Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D printer. Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D printer is designed for professional users. It has dual Z-axis lead screws and 2 Y-axis motors, which provide high printing precision. The printer can precisely calculate the distance of each layer to ensure that your model comes out exactly as you imagined. The Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D printer supports SD card printing and USB flash disk printing, making it very convenient for you to print files directly from your computer or smartphone. The Creality Ender 5 Plus offers a print area of 350 mm x 350 mm, with additional size options up to 400 x 400. The large build chamber is ideal for printing many different types and sizes 3D models without any trouble, thanks in part from its advanced technology features like the BL Touch Auto Bed Leveling Sensor that ensures your prints come out as accurately specified on CAD/CAM software. Number 1 Elegoo Saturn MSLA 3D printer. The Elegoo Saturn is a 3D printer with a large build volume. It can print objects up to 300 x 400 mm in size, and the maximum speed of its dual extruders is 120 mm/s. The Saturn features auto-leveling, which means that you don't have to manually adjust the bed level every time you start printing. You can also use it as a single extruder printer if you wish. The Saturn supports multiple types of filament, including PLA, ABS, HIPS, and PVA. The enclosure has an opening for. What is the best 3D printer for beginners? 3D printers are a hot new technology. They offer the ability to create physical objects out of virtual designs and can be used for prototyping, product development, and marketing purposes. But not all 3D printers are created equal. There's quite a range in price and functionality. What 3D printer is right for you? What safety tips should beginners keep in mind when using a 3D printer? There are many safety considerations to take into account when using a 3D printer. The first thing you should do is read the instructions that came with your printer, as they often have specific settings for beginners. Some of these safety tips include keeping all fingers well away from the print head and nozzle during printing or anytime it's powered on, wearing gloves at all times when handling any material that could potentially contaminate the machine, and never turning off the machine before allowing it to cool down completely. Allowing your 3D printer to cool down before powering off is important because if you turn it off while still hot, you'll damage both the device and its build plate.